Hello everyone, welcome to CPU Bits. So today I'm going to show you that if your CPU fan makes noise, then this would definitely help it. Go to Start, Control Panel, go to Battery, Power Options, change Plan Settings, change Advanced Power Settings, Processor Power Management, Maximum Processor Rate. So before making this video, I was testing it and I have keep it on 70%. So I'm changing it and keeping it on 80%. Then apply, click OK. So I'm going to show you on Task Manager that whether this has happened or not. As you can see now, my CPU is taking 80% only. So by this, you can also do it. Make sure to like and subscribe for